Generating vector embeddings is an ongoing process. Every insert or update means calling the embedding API, attaching the result to your document, and keeping everything synchronized. At scale, that's a dedicated pipeline just to maintain your vectors. Voyage AI, Auto-Embedding, and MongoDB Vector Search removes that burden. Specify a Voyage AI model to power auto-embedding when creating your vector search index. And MongoDB automatically generates embeddings when data is written and when queries are made. No additional API calls from your application are required. To configure it, set the field type to auto-embed in your vector search index definition. Specify the modality, the document path you want to embed, and the Voyage AI model you want to use. That's all the configuration needed. Now insert your documents exactly as you would normally. There's no independent embedding step and no extra API call needed. MongoDB detects new and updated documents and generates their embeddings automatically using the model you specified. At query time, pass your search text directly to the query field of vector search. There's no need to generate a query vector yourself. MongoDB embeds it on the fly and returns semantically matched results. Embedding stays synchronized as your data changes with no custom pipeline code required. There's no risk of stale vectors or per query API overhead. And you get industry-leading retrieval quality from Voyage AI's models, all within MongoDB. The result is semantic search without the operational complexity. Auto-embedding makes vector search as simple as creating an index. Choose your model, write your data, and search. Start building smarter search applications by earning the Voyage AI with MongoDB skill badge today.